guys, it's Potato here, and basically today I've been wanting to do this for so long. I guess I've tested this for like a month or two now, so I can really give you my impressions on this. Also, can I just say, I don't know what the heck is going on here. I bought a ring light, which is like this big. It's small, but I also have this really terrible one that I spent $80 on, and I can't believe I spent $80 on it because it is actually terrible. But I feel like it's so dark without it. Oh my god. So we're gonna, oh my god, it doesn't even really do anything really, honestly. So yeah, this is my room. So yeah, it's just kind of trial and error at the moment, but I've got a tripod and I've got a ring light. Happy days. At the moment, for now, this will work, this will do. Okay, so today we are basically I'm gonna be showcasing the Dragun Beauty by Nikita Dragun, her lipsticks. Oh my god, maybe if I turn my light on. Do you think if I turn my light on? Wow, that made no difference. Trying out all the liquid lipsticks. I've got every single one, including, this literally came yesterday, including the little mini ones. So I feel like I've got like the whole collection of lipstick. And I'm also going to be talking about the palette that I bought. I have not seen many people talk about her lipsticks. Like, I literally found like 2 videos. I feel like they weren't telling the truth because I have got some shit to say about these lipsticks, okay? First of all, let's talk about the component. Let's talk about how it looks. I think these look absolutely gangster. I think they look awesome. I've never seen a component like this. You know how like there's some that are just like, oh, that's like the same component as this brand, and oh, it looks like this one. This is completely different and I love it. Dumb thing about this is that it can't stand up, like you can't, So I'm gonna try them on one by one. This is Nikita. I think this is the one that I wear the most. This one and Horchata. So this is it here. So, some pros and cons about this lipstick, okay? It doesn't matter which one you wear, they're all the bloody same. So, it is extremely moisturizing. Like, I sort of am not used to it because I always wear those super matte lipsticks where, I just burped, sorry, where it dries completely and like your lips feel, you know, sort of dry, but it's not like, oh my god, they're so dry, they're gonna fall off. It's just kind of like, yeah, they feel dry, but you know, this is what I expect because I'm wearing a ultra matte lipstick. Yeah, this is extremely moisturizing, and she does say that. Nikita does mention that a lot, saying that it's super moisturizing and oh my god, it's amazing. But she also claims that it dries completely matte, and I, potato, to say that that is not true at all. It does not dry completely matte. Yes, I understand it's super moisturizing and it's like wearable and like it feels really nice. And it doesn't feel like I've got something on my lips, which is great, so great. But it does not dry matte at all. Like, it dries down, but it doesn't dry completely down, and I absolutely hate that in an ultra matte lipstick, which is what she claims that she does, and it sucks because I really do like these colors. These colors are so cool. I am like a liquid matte queen. I only ever wear liquid matte. I never wear lipstick. I never wear lip gloss. You guys know me. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I don't wear lip gloss and I don't wear lipstick. I don't wear anything unless it is ultra matte because I am super lazy. I do not want to reapply. I just want to go and enjoy my time with my mates, and I just want to go and have something to eat, and I do not want to reapply my lipstick every 2 seconds, and I don't want to have the anxiety of, oh my god, is my lipstick like here. I like just the insurance of knowing my lips are on. That's it. And like, I didn't even put that much product on. It's super opaque. Like, oh my god, it is. You do not need to put like more than 1 layer on. There's absolutely no way. The opacity is incredible and it's so thin and it's so beautiful, but I absolutely hate that it does not dry down. She always talks about that dries down, and there was this Instagram video that she did where she was like, she wore this red lipstick, which is to die for. I absolutely love it. And she was like, I just had like the most oiliest something. She said she ate something that was super oily and messy and her lips did not move whatsoever. And I was just like, That is a crock of shit. There is absolutely no way. Unless I am doing something completely wrong. Unless I'm doing, am I meant to like blot it down? Like, am I meant to do something? Like, but like, as I said, it does dry down, but not really. And I guess it's because since it's so moisturizing, the moisturizing like powers, because I've never had a ultra matte lipstick where it feels so moisturizing and nice. I do wear these out heaps because I love them, but it's so annoying having to get used to having to reapply, looking at myself, you know, every hour or so to make sure that it's not everywhere. It's a bit shit. It's kind of like, this one is Dragon Blood. Oh my god, this is like my favorite red. Oh my god, this is like the most beautiful red ever. Like, it is so, it like takes my breath away. Like, I know that like most of you might be just looking at this going, it's just a red lipstick, but makeup lovers out there, you know what I mean. Like, when you find a red lipstick that you absolutely love and adore, it's like, oh my god, wow, 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 wow. It is just so beautiful. This is the lipstick that she was talking about, how she had like, I honestly cannot remember what she said, but I do remember her saying like it was oily. But I can't remember if she was saying like I had like an oily salad or like an oily pasta or something like that. Something, but there is no way that this like dried down and she was able to eat a whole meal. I would be scared shitless going out wearing this and eating because I know that it would absolutely go everywhere. Like, it does not dry down. It sucks because I sound like a hater. I'm not. I actually really love this brand. This one I don't like because, oh, you can't even tell in this bloody light. It's like a bright Barbie pink. You know, if you're new to my channel, I don't wear this kind of lipstick, but it came, I wanted to get the bundle because I just wanted the full collection. This one is called Pussy Stunt. Can you see? Can you see the colour now? Oh my god, see, I absolutely hate this. This just does not work. Do you see the colour? Do you see what I mean? Okay, I definitely need to get a better ring light. Do you see the pink? Do you see the Barbie pink? Next up, I'm going to be trying on horchata, which is what I love using. I use this so often. Oh my god, I didn't even talk about the smell. It smells like strawberries. It's so lovely. It's not overwhelming. Yeah, it smells like lollies. It's so nice. Oh my god, I love this color so much. It is so beautiful. Like, I thought that this would be like too light for me. Like, I just thought, it's probably not going to look very good like on my skin tone or anything like that, because I've got such a weird skin tone. Like, I'm like yellow based on my face, but then my body is pink. Doesn't look like it right now because we've got really shit lighting right now. There's like a photo on Instagram where my face looks nothing like my body, and I thought this would look really dumb, and I love it. I think it looks so cool. Makes me look really healthy. I don't. All right, next up is the black. I have not tried this on yet. So this is a, I've tried all the other ones on except this one. Don't know why. Maybe it's because I was saving it for you guys. Let's see how this goes. This would go absolutely everywhere. Holy shit. Oh, with black lipstick, I need to use like a lip liner because I always make it bleed somehow. This is so cool. I love this. This is probably the blackest lipstick I own. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I love a good black lipstick. I can still see it being like real wet. Like, I don't know what I need to do to like dry this down. So that is it for the full length ones. We're now going to be trying the minis. I thought they were heaps bigger on photo. On Instagram, but they're very small. This one is called, Nikita. Oh my god, so, what the heck? Oh my god, what's this one? Bad Bitch. Okay, so, oh my god, I didn't even realize. I thought they looked really similar. I was like, it's a very, very similar color. All right, so I basically only got 2 new lipsticks. So this is this will be great for traveling, I guess. Okay, so comes with Bad Bitch, and what's this one called? You can't even really read it. Bad Blood. Oh, okay, so we're gonna try Bad Bitch on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. I love this one. Oh my god, I feel like it's getting like darker and darker, the lighting. I absolutely love Bad Bitch. I think this is so cool. It feels a little bit more tacky. Okay, no, still transfers. Oh, I love this. I feel like I'm gonna wear this heaps. This is such... I really love this color. Oh my god, look how dark it is. Wow, okay. Okay, so last but not least, I am putting on Bad Blood, and I feel like I am going to absolutely bloody love this. This is definitely a me color. Oh my god, I love it. It's kind of a bit patchy, like in the color, like color-wise. Oh my god, you can't tell on camera, but in person, it's like, maybe if I wait for it to dry down, it would look a bit better. But I do actually really like this color. But like there's like patches of like darker, it's like darker in some areas and then like lighter in other areas. Do you know what I mean? Can't really tell, but whoa. I've been doing really bad sick burps lately. Don't know why. I think it's just too much brownie. I've been eating so much condensed milk, it's actually worrying. All right, so that is all the lipsticks. You already know what I think about them. I'm not gonna repeat myself, but now I'm going to quickly go through with this palette. I love this. I thought that I wouldn't, but I absolutely love this so much. I cannot do a beat without it. Not a huge fan of the highlighters, but I love the bronzer or contour, whatever it is, and the blushes. I think they are absolutely mint. By the way, I did my, if you guys want to know what I did with my eyes, I'm really not happy with how my eye look came out. I think nothing wrong with the palette, I just think I just did a really shit job. I'm just not a fan. Did it with the Sunset Horizons palette by Beauty Bay. So, oh my god, look at these colors, like, ugh, love them. And also I put on, I didn't use the new palette, the Halloween one, but I did use the Beauty Bay, oh my god, so cool, the glitters. I put it on my eye. I feel like it's not blended out enough. I think that's why I absolutely hate it. It's definitely my fault, but yeah, I used this one. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with, I always use Femme. It complements my skin tone so well. Like, honestly, I look so chiseled and good, and like I rub it all down my body, like it's like a bronzer, contour, everything. It's so, so, so good. I just feel really pretty in it. I love using this, but for like a bit of a highlighter sort of look, I always use this. But today I'm gonna go with this. It is super pigmented, but blends so good. Like, that's the best thing about this. That's my problem with blushes. Like, I feel like I put oh god. I feel like I put too much on and then it's really hard to blend out. This one's super easy to blend out, and I love having that like rosy ass cheek look. Woohoo! Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna be using Fantasy because I have got like a purple highlighter on today, but we'll just go over the top of it because we can. And it's fine, but it's not like, oh my god, I can't live without it. Like, I wish it was more like blinding and incredible, but you know, it is what it is. So that is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Thank you so much with putting up with the lighting. It has been triggering me this whole time. You know, when something's just not right and you're just, hope you guys enjoyed this very honest review of this brand. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you all again very soon. So hi to your mum for me, look after yourself, but most importantly, stay Groovy. See you later. Bye.